Working with reclaimed wood is super cool, but also comes with some real headaches contractors have to deal with all the time. So first up, you gotta be ready to spend time removing nails and old fasteners because they can seriously mess up your tools or even cause safety issues. Next, checking the structural integrity is a must. You don't want to build on wood that's weak or cracked because it'll end up costing way more to fix later. Moisture content is another biggie. Reclaimed wood often has different moisture levels, so you have to let it acclimate properly to avoid warping or shrinking after installation. Pest detection is key too because bugs or larvae hiding in the wood can ruin a whole project if not caught early. Surface restoration takes a bit of patience, like sanding and cleaning to get rid of old paint, stains, or grime without damaging the wood's character. It's also smart to test for any chemical treatments that could be toxic before you start working. Using proper tools tailored for reclaimed wood can save you a ton of time and frustration. Lastly, keeping communication clear with clients about the challenges and extra time needed will help avoid surprises and keep everyone happy. One of the biggest mistakes contractors make when working with reclaimed wood is skipping the nail removal step, which leads to damaged saw blades and drills. Always double check and pull out every nail or staple. Another common issue is ignoring the moisture content. Wood that hasn't been properly dried can warp or crack after installation, so using a moisture meter and letting the wood adjust to the new environment is essential. Lastly, failing to inspect for pests can cause infestations that spread to other parts of the home. So carefully examining and treating the wood beforehand is a must-do to keep things safe and sound. BigHomeProjects.com is a great place where homeowners can find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff with reclaimed wood and other materials. Plus, contractors get a steady flow of work by connecting with clients looking for reliable pros to handle big home jobs.